My name is Dang Yu. I'm the product director of the IEI Integrated Cooperation. This is my honor to be here to give you a very briefing introduction about our demo and our exhibition today, this year. Okay, so please come with me to take a look into our presenting demo. So as you well know, AI become a big booming market. So that's the main reason why IEI co-worked with the Intel staff from last year to developing different kinds of AI accelerator based on the Intel OpenVINO toolkit. So first highlight I want to introduce here is our whole series about the IEI Mustang series AI accelerator card. So if you can see in here, we have two divided into the two product line. One is based on VPU, which means it's powered by the Intel Meridius Myra X VPU. And another one is FPGA card for accelerator. And this is based on the Intel Area 10 FPGA. So let's talk about the VPU. So as you well know, VPU is an ASIC design. So this can only consume very low power consumption, such like 2.5 watt, but still can be generate very high AI inference performance. So in this point of view, we totally have several models to fulfill customer different demand, from the low end one to the high end one. Start from the M.2 AE key. This small tiny module contains with one VPU, and in the M.2 also providing the BM key as well. And this one with two VPU Myra X. Then we have another one for mini PCI interface. This is for the general embedded system that's still remaining to have a mini PCI Express that still can using this module Mustang to enhance their AI inference in their existing system. So besides of that, we also supply 4 VPU version and also 8 VPU version. So from 1, 2, 4, 8, depends on customer demand, they can choose different kinds of inference performance implement into their existing system or their building system. So another part in here we want to special highlight is, this is IEI's Mustang V100. This is the world first one FPGA AI accelerator card only powered by the Intel OpenVINO toolkit. So you can expecting this one as much better performance compared to the previous different solutions. So, and IEI this year's demo will be implement most of the solution will be implement the AI element into it. It's all based on the those VPU and FPGA AI accelerator card IEI Mustang series, and also powered by the Intel OpenVINO.
Hello everyone, welcome to Embedded World 2019, and I'm Product Manager Brian from IEI. Today I will introduce our factory automation solution. And in the beginning I am talking about the OpenVINO, because all our edge computing device all developed based on OpenVINO toolkit. And it is an Intel developed the toolkit. It includes the all accelerator like the CPU, GPU, FPGA, and the VPU, and use just one API to develop your application, and you can deploy your application in whatever the hardware you want to run your application. And here we have two demonstrations here. One is LCD panel inspection. The other one is PCB inspection system. And here, this demo, we are talking about the AI workload consolidation, because we have added an accelerator card inside, so we can run two different applications in the same time. And the left side is a LCD panel inspection, and we run this application in our Mustang V100 MSA car. It has 8 cores of Meridius Myra X chip. And also because we run this application in a VPU car, so we can run the other application in a CPU. And here is the human detection system. It can detect the human's past and the stay time, and also the sexual. And the retail store can use those data to analyze and decide where to put their products. Yeah, so here is our LCD solution. And then it is a PCB solution, and we are happy to invite our software partner, LIDAR Software, and we invite their founder Minda to introduce their product. Here.
Okay, thank you, Brian. This is a PCB Inspection Demo. There are two defects on the PCB boards, and as you can see, we capture the image by using this USB camera, and we use the AI algorithm to find this NG is a short NG, and another defect is a component missing. Okay, in this demo, it's an AI demo, so we need very powerful accelerator, AI accelerator. So we use this one. This one is the new product from IEI. It integrates 8 cores of Movidius Mirrored X VPU. It's very powerful, low profile, and the low power consumption. It's very suitable for the vehicle applications. For example, we can put it to the bus, to the transportation car, and of course we can put into the railway train. Okay, in this demo we use this VPU, and we put it into this Flex, IEI Flex IPC, and this IPC is AI computer. Okay, and if we need to use this VGA car, of course we need a software library and software drivers. Okay, for example, Intel, they provide the OpenVINO toolkit. It integrates many functions and features for AI, and there is a very efficient inference engine, so we can use the Intel CPU, Intel GPU, Intel FPGA, and Intel VPU for our AI application. Okay, but this OpenVINO toolkit is for software engineer only, so it's not convenient for our customer or for our retail reseller to use that. So, okay, we provide a new web interface to integrate the OpenVINO into the web interface. So make our customers and the resellers to be more convenient, much more convenient to use the OpenVINO library. And as you can see, the interface is very easy, so we can use the file, open, and choose different solutions for the data analysis and for the image analysis. So we have many solutions inside this web interface. Okay, and its web interface is very easy to use. We have many libraries, and there are many function blocks. So we can just simply drag this function block into the flow, into this flow. Okay, if we need to have the for loop here, okay, it's very easy. And then we just press run, then we can use the AI inference functions from OpenVINO. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, and of course we have many powerful editor function. Okay, so we can choose, for example, we can set a confidence threshold. Okay, by using mouse. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, and this is the architecture for this web interface. This web interface, the name is OpenR8. OpenR8. It integrates many popular AI frameworks. For example, Caffe, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and of course OpenVINO. And we have integrate many AI algorithms for image analysis and of course data analysis. For the image analysis, we support image classification, object detection, and image segmentation. And for the data analysis, we support LSTM and regression forest and convolution 1D. And there are many other AI algorithms. Okay, and of course, for the AI hardware, we support Intel, CPU, GPU, and NVIDIA's VPU, NVIDIA GPU, AMD GPU, and Raspberry Pi, and the other ARM-based devices. Okay, so it's for our customers, it's very easy to use our web interface to do the AI training and the inference. And of course, we have several application stories. We provide this web interface to the wafer foundry to do the wafer inspection, and we provide this web interface to the IC packaging factory to do IC inspection, and so on. Okay, we provide this web interface to many industries. Okay.
Yes, thank you. The introduction of Linda, and all of our product is talking about the VPU. So we have a 4 series of VPU product, and here we can see it's a PCI interface VPU card. And we also have a mini small form factor product like M.2 and the mini PCIe, because some embedded box deployed to the factory, they have very compact size box PC. So we can use our small form factor product either deploy to the embedded box to do the AI algorithm to accelerate your application. And also, yeah, we have a FPGA accelerator card, and they all will cooperate with Intel to develop our product.
So another part we want to special highlight in here is our transportation application. So in our transportation application, we are demonstrate 2 different kinds of platform. One is based on the Intel x86. Another one is based on the ARM-based, which is a rock chip. So let's see the rock chip first. So this is the latest application we built based on the rock chip RK3399, which is a big little structure, 2 Cortex A72 and 4 Cortex A53. So this is an 8-inch all-in-one panel PC designed for the vehicle users purpose. So we allow me to specially introduce our partner, which is Cyberlink. They are offer their FastMe apps, allow us to implement into the IEI's Alpha card. Then we can using that to do something like face recognition, to do the check-in and check-out, to check your status about the if the driver is drunk or feel tired, want to sleep in, and something else. In the meantime, in this PC we have a secondary display, so you can using the HDMI connect with the secondary display. You can put in some advertisement, something like a signage from here. So this is very powerful, and also can adopting the AI element into this one. So the last stop allow me to introduce our latest products. So this is a very exciting product we want to introduce to everyone in here, especially in the embedded world. Okay, so this is one is a PMUX. It's content with the Xeon W CPU, the latest one. So we special design that can be deliver up to the 50 PCI Express Gen 3 lengths from the golden finger to the backplane. So in this structure, it's more easier to allow customer to customize backplane only to fulfill their different demand in the PCI Express configuration in their AI application. And another two, this is a chassis. Our new chassis is called the Brick series. And this is our Flex I just introduced. So Flex is a very special design as a modularized panel PC design. So this is a code system. Then we are also offer different kinds of the LCD panel kit. So we start offer from the 15-inch to the 24-inch. So customer can choose different kinds of size of the LCD panel kit to fit into the Flex 200 series. And as I mentioned, we have a very special tiny design, very special ruggedized and tiny design by the IOT Gateway. So this is our new product called ITG 100 upper leg. So very small size, tiny, but if you have a more expansion demand, we can allow customer to add on another stack to enhance or expansion the I/O or functions. So this is another modular design we want to introduce to the customer. Another one is our DRPC 130. This is also based on the upper leg, but we are adopting industrial grade upper leg, which is ACO 3930. And this product can support very harsh environment like outdoor, can be supporting minus 20 to 70 degrees operating temperature. So this is the one. And also our tank and our Thunderbolt expansion box. And this one is our new product line called the industrial switch. So we are offering industrial switch as well. And last one is our Alphax panel PC. So start from this year, our new generation Alphax panel PC will have the very special design, which is all of them will be supporting the PoE. So this one is supporting the 15-inch wide, and also based on the PoE AT standard, so we can support that. And also in here, our subsidiary company QNAP has bring their latest AI application, which is they call this is Open Vino workload consolidation tool. So you can directly to uploading your AI model into the NAS, then through the Open Vino workload consolidation tool can be direct identify the solution. And the last step we want to introduce in here is of course, the industrial motherboard still is our mainstream products. So in this year, we bring the latest technology from Intel, which is Nano ULT5 R10. This one is based on the Intel Whiskey Lake platform. So Whiskey Lake we're gonna to launch in the Q2 of this year. So we just bring our secret weapon and demonstrate in the IEI Embedded World show in 2019. And this full board is based on the Intel Coffee Lake. As you will know, the Coffee Lake we're gonna have a Coffee Lake refresh first, very fast, but very near. So. And Coffee Lake refresh, actually the key improvement about that is they are upgrading from 6 core to the 8 core. So which means start from this board, this year you can have an 8 core CPU application based on the Intel, based on IEI's Q370 series products. And another one is we have a Hyper upper leg. It's a Pico ITX, very tiny, small, but we try to implement all of the function on this very tiny small board. And this is another 2 PoE card. So we have a 2-port and also 4-port. Both of those 2 cards are supporting the A01.88 AT and F PoE standard. Okay. So above is my rough introduction briefing about the IEI at Embedded World 2019, and I hope you stay tuned. We have our colleague will give you a more detailed presentation in each demonstration in here. Thank you.